vegetable is so young and green, everyone. So we take it to eat with chili sauce. Take the outside of it like this. It's so young and it looks like so yummy. And look at our chili sauce. It's really red because of it full of chili. So now it's the time to eat. Eat with me. Oh. It's really yummy. Wow, it's really sweet. And also it's so young too. You know, it's this vegetable we can help our health to be more healthy and make our skin to be more beautiful too. It's a kind of medical too. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye everyone. But everybody, don't forget help me to subscribe my channel to see more video about natural lifestyle like this, and also to see about the rural lifestyle in countryside also. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.